Using a piece of green leaf, check if you should add anything more to your taste. Crushed sesame seeds have more fragrance. This small measuring cup can hold around 3 tablespoons. You need 7 parts of water to 1 part mung bean starch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now stir and turn the heat on. As giving it a quick stir at least once a minute, you can see the color changes. It turns from opaque white to semi-translucent white. Using a spatula, I'm just evening out the top. You can leave the jelly either at room temperature or in the fridge till it foams up. Loosen up the edge with the knife or rubber spatula to take the jelly out. Cut into sizes you like. There is no fixed amount of salad dressing you need. Add more if you want a thicker, stronger taste for the dressing. For a milder taste, add less of the dressing with more greens. These mint leaves will freshen up the salad even further. Check if there is any bones in the salmon. If you don't have fish bone tweezers, you can use some kitchen towel to grip the bones better. I will show you another way to prepare salmon for the salad. For this salad, I replace sliced onions with cucumbers. Thank you for watching.